Convert a list of characters into a string. If I have a list of chars, how do I convert it into a single string?
Use the join method of the empty string to join all of the strings together with the empty string in between, like so.
This works in many popular languages like JavaScript and Ruby. Why not in Python? Strange enough, in Python the join method is on the str class. Why join is not a method in the list object like in JavaScript or other popular script languages? It is one example of how the Python community thinks. Since join is returning a string, it should be placed in the string class, not on the list class, so the str.joinList method means join the list into a new string using str as a separator. In this case, str is an empty string. Somehow I got to love this way of thinking after a while. I can complain about a lot of things in Python design, but not about its coherence.
If your Python interpreter is old, 1.5.2, for example, which is common on some older Linux distributions, you may not have join available as a method on any old string object, and you will instead need to use the string module. Example: the string b will be apt.
This may be the fastest way.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.